Hey folks, it's Tuesday, September 28th, and here's your forecast. So we're going to spend the first 10 minutes of class reading and responding to our peers' posts on the mood board. Make sure to respond to at least 2 of those posts. And then we're going to start engaging with the series These Them. So go ahead and read the synopses of the last 2 episodes and the Q&A. And then from there, we are going to start screening these thems. The Q&A is a bit longer than the episodes themselves. I don't know if we'll get through the entire thing, but we are going to try. So to aid that, we're actually going to, I'm actually going to jump on Zoom at 4:10. And I'm going to start playing immediately at 4:15, and obviously, like always, you can go ahead and use the chat function to kind of like chat with each other as as we're watching. In task 3, I just want you to head over to the Unit 3 chat and then post some sort of final commentary on this first season of These Thems. What did you think? How was non-binary storytelling featured or not? Does this remind you of any conversation or reading that we've done in class so far, whether it's the Schuster and Lamont one or another one that we've done? So that kind of thing. And then, meaningfully respond to at least 2 of your peers' posts. All right. So for homework, we've reached the vibes section of class, right? So you're gonna, for homework, create your little vibes thing. So you have some options, all right? Option 1 is that you can write your own review of these thems, kind of modeling the kinds of reviews that were given by the Advocate or Curve, like give your own, like just kind of write it as if you were gonna publish it to a sort of queer and trans magazine, right? That's one option. Option 2 would be to maybe modeling kind of the types of things that like BuzzFeed does, like those top 10 lists about, like doing a deep dive into like one of the non-binary actors featured in these thems, like writing some sort of like listicle about them or about the show itself. So it could be something like 10 reasons why insert the name of an actor in These Thems is the next NB Rising Star. Obviously, if you do that, you want to make sure that the person is not binary. Or 10 reasons why blank is our favorite character on These Thems, right? Or 10 reasons why blank is the role model we've been waiting for, right? Does that sort of make sense? So just kind of like, you can totally do that. Some sort of like fun thing like that. Your next option, if none of those seem like super cool, would be to go back to the mood board and choose one of the projects that your peers, like the creative projects that your peers shared on mood board, like that the actors and creators are involved with, and kind of like watch or engage with that project, and then just kind of write a 2-paragraph overview that tells us what the gist of the creative project is, where we can access it, making sure to link to it, explaining who's behind it, making sure you're getting pronouns correctly, and then also like how that project connects to our classroom conversation, how non-binary people are represented in it, and why we should care about the project, right? So you have 3 options. So you can do any one of those, and once you've done that, just post whatever you've done to the Vibes channel, and we will be responding to those in class on Thursday. Okay? Cool beans.